device and the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather or hazards for the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest, and South Central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-hazard day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest, and South Central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system for the entire county area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office.
Might as well turn them off.
The tropical weather outlook. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico, a broad area of low pressure associated with the tropical wind is located about midway between the west coast of Africa and the Seaboard Islands. This system is producing a large area of showers and thunderstorms that continue to show some signs of organization. Environment.
There. Yeah, I did it. I'm a pro. Okay, yay. Test concluding. Yay.